Hello friends and welcome to another tutorial on Geeks for Geeks. In this video, we are going to understand the program which helps us in printing nodes at k distance from root. First, let us take an example. Let us suppose that k is equal to 2. So, at 2 distance from root, we have nodes 4, 5 and 8. So that will be the output. Now let us have a look at the algorithm which will assist us in printing nodes at k distance from root. Let us also have a sample tree to test our algorithm. We pass the root node which is 1. So root will point to 1. Let us assume that we have to find nodes at distance 2 from the root. So we pass 2 to k. We check if root is pointing to null. As it is false, we check if k is 0. Since it is not, we call for the left and right subtrees of root using a call stack. So root will point to 2 and we decrement k. Since root is not null and k is not 0, we call for the left child of 2 which is 4. So root will point to 4 and we decrement k. So k will now be equal to 0. As k is 0, the second if condition gets satisfied and we print root. So 4 is printed. We finish execution for node 4 and return to the call stack. Now we continue execution for node 2. So we pass the right child of 2 which is 5 along with k minus 1. Since k is equal to 0, we print 5. After printing 5, we return to the call stack. We finish execution for node 2 and resume execution for node 1. So now we pass the right child of 1 which is 3. Hence, root will point to 3 and k will be equal to 1. Since root is not null and k is not 0, we call for the left subtree of 3. Hence, root will now point to the left child of 3 which is 8. Also, k will be equal to 0. Since k is 0, we print root. Hence, 8 is printed. Now we return to the call stack. We resume execution for node 3. Now we pass the right child of node 3 which is null along with k minus 1. Since root is pointing to null, we return to the call stack. We finish execution for node 3. Also, execution for node 1 is finished and we have the final output. Now let us have a look at the time complexity of the program. This code will run in big O of n complexity. Here n are the number of nodes in the binary tree. With this, we come to an end of this tutorial. For any doubts or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.